speaking with Joe O'Connell, who's president and artistic director of Creative Machines out of Tucson. Creative Machines is, if not exclusively behind making all of that, certainly it sounds like a very central component.
Yeah, that's our job, but it's really everybody's job. We come to this process with an open mind. So just this afternoon, we have planned a community activity where we hope to get people a little bit out of their heads. We have a really hands-on building activity, and we've brought about 500 pounds of unique objects for people to play and rearrange, because design is a process of rearranging. You know, everything from this desk to this microphone speaks to the era in which it was made. And, you know, you go to other countries and there's different ways of arranging metal and wood, and it all speaks to culture. So we have with us, and to share with the community this afternoon, all sorts of hands-on ways that people can put things together. And then we have little models of people, and you can find a little model of yourself, color it with your favorite clothes, and put yourself in the experience. So as Alan said, we come with an open mind, but with a lot of skills to help draw out from people what they want the experience to be.